Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal limit. Alright, let's begin. Cash App has limits on Bitcoin transactions to comply with financial regulations and prevent fraud. These limits apply to purchasing, sending, receiving, and withdrawing Bitcoin. Understanding them can help avoid transaction issues. To check your limits, open Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Limits. Here, you will see your current transaction limits. For example, you can send up to $2,500 per week, receive unlimited funds, add $2,500 per week from your bank, and cash out up to $25,000 per week. For Bitcoin, you can sell unlimited amounts, purchase up to $100,000 per week, and deposit $10,000 per week from external wallets. Peer-to-peer Bitcoin transfers allow sending up to $2,500 per week or $17,500 per month, while receiving remains unlimited. If your limits are lower, you can increase them by verifying your identity, linking more bank accounts, or enabling stock and Bitcoin investing. This could raise your Bitcoin withdrawal limit to around $10,000 per week. So, that's basically how you can check your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal limit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.